I'm Dennis for KingmakerForex.com and OrangeQuant.com with a trade recap to make it easier. Maybe you don't want to watch all the videos. There have been to date 9 trades, and it's the 8th of September 2014. It's about 8:41 p.m. New York time right now. Okay, to save us all the agony of looking at each and every trade video, what I'm going to do is bring up the Oanda.com platform where the authentication account is located. And now I'm going to do 2 things here right quick. First, I'm going to show you for authentication purposes the account number, and then I'm going to show you me clicking the history button. Okay, here's the account number right there. Okay, and then I'm going to pull this up like that, and you can see it's a live platform right now, and you see me clicking the history button, and here's the history channel on this. Now I need to show you for authentication again the account number, and I know that this sometimes the type is blurry because I use a low quality video to do this for uploading purposes. I'm going to expand this, or zoom in a couple times. 1, 2. Got to drag it down so you can still see it. There's the account number. All right, now I'm going to take us all the way back and to the start of the account, which was on the 21st, or not the start of the account, the start of the authentication, which is on the 21st of August. And to do that, I got to scroll down, and I'm assuming you can still, you can still see everything. 21st of August, scrolling down, Okay, August 21st, that's where it first shows up, and you can see right here there is a deposit. I'm going to drag the screen across a little bit. 21st of August, a deposit. Anything before that, which is downward, that is, anything before that was the account. I was doing other things with the account. But here, at this point on the 21st, I cleaned all that out, got rid of some stuff, and then set up a deposit, or that's the way it worked, is a deposit, to $1,000. And I'll drag this across so you can see that. Okay. And now I got to scroll across. This is... okay, there's the $1,000 deposit. Drag that back this way a little bit, and there's a $1,000 deposit. Okay, now let's go back the other way to where we started. And what's important here to realize is that it's nearly impossible to fake a trading video. All right, here's the 21st and the deposit right there, and then what you want to look for here, what you want to notice, is after that, in other words going upward, that's what comes after, is when it says sell or buy. That means a trade was entered, or sell, buy, or close, I'm sorry. Any of those 3 things, that's where I actually did something. There will be times when it says change trade. What that means is I changed the stop loss or something, but it's not a significant change to the trade. Okay, the other thing I want to mention before I show you the rest of the trades is that I can change, just as I changed the balance in the account here with this deposit, I can change the total value of the account, but I cannot change any of these trades. And if you doubt that, open a free practice account at Oanda.com and see how that works. You can't change the trades, but you can, on a practice account, you can change the amount of money you have. Okay, so let me, and I can't pause the video, I gotta think here what we want to do, because if I pause the video, that kind of ends the authentication, doesn't it? Alright, we're down here. We started with this deposit, and we had our first trade, which was a sell, a short sale, and then we closed the trade shortly after that. and I don't know how the best way to do this. I'm going to kind of put it down close to the bottom so that it's easy to follow. Okay, and we go across, and then I have to scroll across, and that's a real nuisance. So there's the 1,000 that we started with, and we had a loss in that trade. You can see about a $20 loss, 21 bucks, something like that. I think what I'll do now is just go up and show you the rest of the trades as things change. Remember, I cannot change the trades. Okay, and you see it drops to 9.77. Sometimes there's interest kicking in of a few pennies, give or take, because there's rollover, and I don't actually trade. That's just a fact of life, rollover. Okay, and then we get to, we brought it back up to about 982, then we brought it all the way back up to 1001.80, and you can verify these things by looking at the individual videos. There were so far 9 trades, and then we get to 1010, and we keep going, and we hit 1021, and this is all since the 21st of August on 9 trades, so altogether it'll be 9 trades. And let me drag that across. I want to be sure you can see all the numbers. Okay, 1021, and then we had a trade that boosted that 1021 about 150 bucks to 1171, and then this morning we had a teeny tiny trade that we came out with a couple of bucks. Okay, now I think what I'll do is take us back to the left side, and you can match that up any way you like. You'll see the dates when the various trades were executed. Okay, so I'm just going to scan it, and that way you can just double check. I'm just going to roll it on down, and remember where it says buy or sell or close trade, that's what happened. Okay, close trade, change trade, and if you've been counting, you should only see 9 closed trades. Okay, and you can back the video up to see for yourself. Okay, we're down back to the 24th, 22nd, and now we have the 21st in view, and that was that deposit that I showed you at the start. So that's how this works. I just felt that this would be an easier way for everybody to to validate this, because Kingmaker is not going to be cheap, and I believe you're entitled to know for sure that this is all on the level, and these are the trades that happened, because this week I planned a bunch of trades to wrap up this authentication. It won't be as pricey as some of those expert advisors out there. It'll be fairly cheap compared to them. They want $1,000 and $2,000 for theirs. By the way, did I mention, and I'm not recommending this, but you can take Kingmaker and harness it to an automated trading program inside Thinkorswim at TD Ameritrade. I don't recommend it, because in my opinion those kinds of things are weapons of mass financial destruction. I will not help you write the program. You're on your own with that, but it's doable. Okay, I think I've demonstrated everything here that needs to be demonstrated, and I'm Dennis at Kingmaker Forex, and I hope you have a great evening.